Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and I have an 07 Honda Accord in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove your wiper blades very easily. So there's a tab right here. I'm going to push on that tab, push that down in on the hook, bring it up. Always take your wiper arm, don't leave it up, bring it right down and place it on the glass. If that for some reason springs down, that'll spider web that glass. So you'll see the hook design right there, and that's the tab that I push down on. It squeezes, and that's what locks it into place. So to install it, I'm going to basically reverse procedure, bring that up. I like to keep hold of it, find out where the loop part is, it's right there. So I'm going to bring it down in that slotted area, bring it up, weave it up. I like to bring that down to me, and I pull it till it locks into place. And that means I can't push it off. And we're set. And to do the other side, it's the same exact way. Just bring the arm up, press that button on that blade, and pull it out, and replace it by slapping it back in and weaving it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.